How to find out host to the EMLX Exporter and launch the software. First of all, type Betavare host to the EMLX Exporter in Google search engine bar. Then click on here to open our website. Here is our website, betavare.com. Click on the Download Now button. Then select the I accept the agreement option. Then, click on Next button. Now, click on the Browse button to select the installation location and then Continue. Check on the box if you want to create a shortcut on desktop. Then click Next to continue. Then click on the Install button. Now click the box on Launch OST to the EMLX Exporter and click on the Finish button. How to export OST to the EMLX file with this software. First, you need to install OST to the EMLX Exporter on your computer and open it. Then, click on the Browse button, select OST file. There is a preview of your OST file and click on the Export button. There are many formats for export. Click any one. Click on the Browse button to select your output file location. Finally, click on the Convert Now button to start the process. How to uninstall the OST to the EMLX Exporter software. When you open Control Panel, then click on the Programs icon. Then click on Uninstall a program menu. Select the software and click the Uninstall button. Choose Yes for uninstalling software. Now, you successfully uninstall this software. Thanks for going through this video. I hope now you have got the answer to the export OST to the EMLX file.